So guys, this is my marking of the mock test of the SSC CGL examination 2024 and that I have given. And now I'm gonna discuss only the English section that is really important, and I'm gonna show you that one by one each and every question in the detail, as well as analyze that all the stuff what's necessary. So let's go in the test and check the English section only. Here we go. So that is the first question, the man, and that is like a parajumble question rearrangement we have to do, and I have done it perfectly in 2 minutes. So approx 2 plus minute. So the man that has, and after that no passing through in the street and singular. So you can see that we need to arrangement to understand the reading. So here we look the what we need to do. We really need to do understand the reading section, that is comes from a reading section. We are here only to analyze the stuff what we need to do and furthermore. And then second question, it comes from the vocabulary. Sordid, it is the dirty, filthy, and all these things when not according to you and look like a disgusting. So this is your writing. We are here gonna only to see the which section we need to work is more. Another one is the direct and indirect. Direct indirect, it is kind of something we said at there, and we have to change in the past and something. So everything is come from past and like a ed form, second form, third form. And third, this is something I did wrong, active passive also. There is kind of something is most important because that is the game of name a dark. Dark is something is if it game name is a plural that comes from the singular like a dark, and billiards, and there is some games they're written in the plural and comes from a singular. So here is are, were, are, and is, so comes from the is. That is something is important. And one word substitutions, also scapegoat, blame or something. And also the ruler, national park, and the largest, there no error we have to find there. So what is the error in there, can you find that? So exactly we need to for that after the preposition to comes from the verb की first form. So there we need to know the securing. There has the securing is we need to secure. So that you need to see the explanation here. And again, one word substitution, something then expressed in a confusing way, is incoherent, and also misspelled. It's also important every time we just read and really focus about the spellings. And also grammatical portion and vocabs. You have to write that every section whichever you need to understand whenever you read this something like a book and anywhere. Pay attention on there. Next time we will solve the in deeply in there. Vocabs and also fillers that I did not attempt because there is a confusing word out there. So whole judgment is like a verdicts, but after analyze that, because there are also a time duration we have to do quick and fast, so we skip that all. So there also incorrect that more parasymbol, also big form. We got to understand the reading comprehension everything quickly. And also vocabs, and furthermore it is like a every modal verb we use a verb simple form, not we have second, third, fourth, fifth. So here comes from again also alters, they not alter it as comes only the alter. Who carried won a victory. So also idioms. This is the center character, also the kind of grammatical portion, and there also a improvement grammatical portions comes from there. So look, we are really need to need a grammatical portion. Without it we can't even solve the test series here. And also active passive is kind of something that we have said and we are saying it again, to which we did add something. And here we got an idiom, And finally it is like a passes we have to find mm, blank places and we have to fill up there. This is also we are reading understanding there. So this is the whole test that I have never give because I read a lot, so I never did anything wrong in there. So I hope you understand that full length of this paper and test. You got that understanding which we really need to focus on there. Next session we gonna read that passage and every each and every books, and we gonna exactly find that spelling and everything we have written in a copy and there we really focus in there. So I hope you got that understand each and every point what's really important.